back for round 2 of the walleye. Got my little guy, little son of a fish 2.0. Got the wifey all the way down there. We got this guy over here. Get him in. What's that? Yep. All right, we're back at it. Remember, you just got to let it hit that bottom. Got a chartreuse on there? You can try it. Oh, there's a hit. Right there. Oh, man, he slammed it. Got a hit already. I just got smoked. First cast.
What are you using?
Chartreuse. It's like that bright green. I just got smoked over there. Same spot they were hitting before. I bet you when I pull this up, it's probably halfway off my hook. Hope that ain't a bad omen. Oh, there we go. Oh, he came off. He was right here. Ah, yeah. First cast. Yeah, I had 2 of them. I had that big one over there, and then I just got this little guy right here. Just whip it out there, let it sit on the bottom, and then just hop it up and let it hit again. And just had 2 of them on first cast. He smoked it over there though. I felt it go wham. And then we got another one right here. They're in there, man. They are in there. It's actually low. It went down a lot. It was last time I came down here. Well, not this morning, but like a week, 2 ago. It was up almost above this wall.
Really?
Yeah. Well, I just felt something down there. Nice cast. Let it drop. And just feel for that bink. They are still fired up, man. I can't believe it. That's freaking crazy. Give it, look, a couple. He said he's been down. Oh, there's one. Oh, dang it. What's going on? It's like he just like bit it and spit it.
How big of a bait do you have on?
Like a 3-inch. I got more. If you want to throw one on your jig, let me know. I think it could be the way I'm reeling too. Like I let it hit the bottom, right? And when I know it's on the bottom, Mace,
yeah.
Watch what I do with my rod. Hold on. All right, I know it's on the bottom because my line went slack. I lift up, and then I do a couple reels, and then I let it drop again. And I lift up kind of hard, but not too hard. And I just let it drop again. They're there. They're definitely there. That's 3 freaking hits in not even 2 minutes. Right out there. Hey! Come on, tan pants.
Alright, it's my specialty.
Yeah, jig if you want to jig, man. Do what you got to do.
I hope this works.
Dinner's ready. Got to leave. I can't believe I missed 3 freaking fish. Well, the one I had on the wall, that one counted, but hopefully we didn't scare them all out of here. Oh, there's a hit.
There we go.
There's one. There's another. Little guys, though, they really ain't big. Oh, he's starting to grow. He's starting to grow. He's got head shakes. Head shakes for days. Head shakes for days. Oh, he's a nice one. Look at this guy. Bank flip. Oh. Come here, Sonny. Oh, yeah. What? Ow, stab me. All right, all right, all right. Slow down there. We got you. We got you. They're still in there. They ain't huge, guys, but they're fun to freaking catch. What size weight you got on there? A 1/4 ounce? No, your ma. I'm using my dad's fishing line, some old ass Eagle Claw 10-pound, and it works so far. When I first put it on, it was coiling off like crazy, so I was all the way down there by the boat launch. I cast out as far as I could, opened my bail, walked all along that wall all the way up, and I just reeled it back in. The coil went away. Come on. I know you're out there. See, I'll do this. Ready? Lift up, couple reels, let it drop, and just pull a little bit to the side. Oh, like that. How did I miss it again? I just keep missing them.
Oh, you're just gonna walk this spot.
Oh, there it is again. Oh my God. Are you fucking serious? That's twice he hit it. Maybe it'll be 3. Oh, there it is again. Got him. Oh. That's a rod bender. That's a rod bender. Right? Oh, yeah, he's got some weight. No, it's a walleye.
Oh. Looks like a sauger. That's a sauger.
No, we don't have saugers in here. No, we don't.
Move over.
Move over. I'll move over if you want to fish here.
Yes, please.
Hold on.
I just want to catch.
I know.
I want to catch a walleye because I haven't caught fish in a while.
Ah. Oh.
Yeah.
Did you hear it? There he is. Reeling him in. That felt like a hit. It was. That's how you yo-yo it. I call it the walleye waltz. Want to reel him in?
Yeah.
Here. Reel him in. Go ahead.
Oh my God.
Get him, Ace. Get him. Oh, he's a big one. Flip him. Flip him. Yeah. Atta boy.
Yeah.
Look at that, you little son of a fish.
Whoa.
That's a big one, dude. And you squeeze, if you squeeze right here, they'll keep their fins shut. Yeah, they open their mouths up.
Hi.
Put your hand like this, flat out.
Bite.
Put your hand flat out.
Wait. Bite. Yay.
Put your hand flat out. Watch this. Ready? Don't even have to squeeze.
Whoa.
Check that out.
On back.
I'm gonna
I think it's your bait.
try it. Whip it out. Whip it.
Try that, Paul. I want to see how you do it.
Got to use my son's rod. He stole mine. He's got the walleye slayer. Telling you, it's the way you work that bait too, man. Has a lot to do with it. That pole is like so sensitive, isn't it? Ooh, your mom got one. Look at that, she's all quiet down. Look at, she just put one of them lures on. First cast, she got a walleye. Yeah. Telling you, man, they work.
I want to put one of those on.
Chartreuse.
This is not too bad. Look at his face.
I'm using just a regular ball head, so not even painted, with a red hook.
With the white. Nice. Why is it white like that?
What, the tail? Yeah. I'm going to tell you why. Smile. Because they wiggle that when they're down on the bottom and the little fish thinks it's bait, comes up to get it, they turn around to eat the fish. Yeah, we're gonna take this line off. We're gonna get your regular line. Another one?
Yep.
You caught one on the nub?
Got one.
He don't even have the tail on a thing. Dude, take it easy. Take it easy. Reel him in. Flip him up. He's all strong arming him in. He don't even have a tail on a thing.
It looks like this.
I need to switch baits. They took all my baits and now I can't catch shit. That's freaking awesome. Look at this. Squeeze his cheeks hard because you want to push those in so we don't flare them out. Push them right in. Yep.
There we go.
There you go. Now you're learning. There you go. It didn't even have a tail. Look it. He hit it. That's awesome,
Walleye
dude.
season.
Awesome, bro.
Walleye season too.
That's funny. I'm gonna go down this way a little bit.
It's okay. You know how you spot that?
No, you can take my spot. I'm good. I don't like this. I don't like the way this casts. It doesn't cast far enough.
There we go.
Are you kidding me, dude?
Yeah,
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding you.
It might be the pole. This?
Fish 2.0.
Easy, bro. It might be a huge one. Oh my God. No, you might be able to flip him. Flip him straight up. Get him up. Get him up. Get him up. Get him over. There you go. That's a good one.
Oh my.
It don't even have a tail, and it's
PB.
still getting them.
That's my PB. That's my PB.
That is your PB walleye. That's a big one, bro.
Excuse me. No one can take my spot. It's on Fish 2.0. That's my spot.
I can't believe they're hitting without a freaking tail. Without a tail. That's how good these lures
liking
are.
it without the tail. You can throw them back in. I know
Look
it's
at
my fish. I take credit.
It don't even have a tail. It's fucking, this kid's killing it.
I'm so happy.
Ooh. And that's, I mean, that bait's small. I'm wondering if maybe putting a smaller, are you kidding me?
I'm not joking.
Dude,
I got another one.
I'm going to a smaller profile.
Woohoo!
Little jerk.
You know,
Woohoo.
sometimes I love fishing. Oh wait. I thought that it was bass for a second.
There he goes, pulling off his own walleye. There you go.
Go.
It's okay. He'll get it out. Awesome. Good job, bro. Fix your bait. It's not on the hook all the way.
Yep.
It don't even have a freaking tail.
Maybe they just like. Nice, Mom.
Nice. But bam. Wow. I tell you, it's them freaking lures, man. I know it is. It's them freaking lures. Go over here and check out this one she just got. Parsons grub. I mean, these guys ain't big, but they sure are fun to catch. And what's up with all these black dots all over them? They all got them.
I don't know. They're probably like parasites.
Yeah. Ooh. That was it. It's just, I'm telling you, it's... Ooh, he all of a sudden gained weight. It was coming in kind of quick. That's a good one. You got one too? Nice. Double up, son. Double up. You don't think it's a walleye?
Oh, I snagged.
Oh, you snagged him in his belly button. That don't count. Curly tail grubs. What you got on there, Tori?
Actually, I got that chartreuse.
Oh, come on, really? Snagged? I don't ever get snagged here. I know, right? What am I snagged on? Jesus. Oh. Oh. Ah, damn. I don't know what that was, man, but I bet you my hook straightened out. I think I broke everything off. Well, that's time for me to leave.